Really, I do warm welcome to our chief guest of the Prophet.
So now I would like to request our honored chief guest to please.
Sini buskan mo, sini kurang lagi mau kita mau.
Thank you so much, sir. This time with us, and we really hope for future you will be with us for days to come. So, guests of honor, we have next of us, E.F. Rabindra Tagore. So, having this time with us, and we also hoping days to come you will be with us and helping in various corners. We are having a special guest for the program, Sir Mongol Deborma, as well as founder of the school, we can say, and we cannot deny it is true. So thank you, sir, for having with us till this moment. Thank you all. So let us clap our hands and let us give our traditional Risa.
A very good morning to all of you all. Today, the annual sports organized by Salka Academy. We have today in this program our Honorable EM Education, Sri Rabindra Deborma. Here, Mr. Mongol Deborma, Reverend, he is the in charge of education in SNBA and the president of Salka Academy, SMC committee, and all dignitaries sitting over here in the dais, including our principal of Salka Academy, and all students and teachers, and all respected our guardians. Today we have seen so many wonderful programs. After this lecture program and cultural program, so many events also there for the students and guardians. Whatever declared by our principal. I am very much happy today because of the performance given by our children. All the performance given by them is tremendous performance. So, like this program, this is very much colorful program. This is not my first time to attend this program. In every year, our principal invited me, and I am trying my level best in every year to be present here with you all. And this year also, I am present here. Last year, we are present with our EM sir, and we declared for passenger set or waiting set and permanent structure of the dais for the school program. I have already been given, and today the permanent structure for the stage will be given by our EM sir. Now I request all the students, please be careful in your study, be careful in your health. So in every year, the annual sports organized by you, this is not for enjoyment only. This is for our health. Without the good health, we cannot do anything for the society, for self, and for the locality, for the family. So I request, we cannot do anything for the society, for self, and for the locality, for the family. So I request all the students, you people, you are the backbone of our society, you are our next generation. So whatever our leaders, our principals, and our dignitaries, whatever they say, please listen and do your level best. Amsani jotto guardians rogno rangsakni lukurogno ani koimung omono tongnai je sentini omohai colorful naithoto kasat program ni bising tichini annual sports chengri rizakha omono success khlainani daitto sung jotonino kasung as a people's representative hisabe o amsaini leaders hisabe norno koinani muchung omono je chini thinang ni chati rokto sung kaham kai nai tebo borok to guide khai bongni thinango nijini yakungbai basai manani te borok no sung porashuna ni logi logi buino bahakai chubanani abnobo sung borno kisar kusu waisa wishu sung borno phurungka kai chao karon tangi okok masa kai sung nugo sini bisi lekha krung ithaga kai doctor engineer officer thanga kai baksa para pogoi agartala tongui tongmani rok sung nugo sulu nijini bagai wan sugnai rok nugo sung nugo aboni bagai sarai phuruni simino sung jate lukurok no chubanani society ni bagai wan sugani sung abo sarai phuruni simine practice khlairi phaikan kai abo se tebo nini ani chini society chini somas ni bagai kaham hungani ni ang wan sugo norok no lai thanai bisio omahai annual sports to no sung program samani declare rimani je sung students ni buma bufaro phaikan kai wati o jaga muduk tompru wati ro pamte hatung ro kai lelana ni jaga kri ni anga pro kogrimani nongni bagai lelana ni jaga already complete hai nongui tongo te kisa rong rok sina rine baki dongsio chini EM sir o jaga o je stage tini to sungo jaga bairanda wa achugai senoro bai kok sarai tongo itu tini ni simino o jaga chini engineer phaijak o program phaikan kai sung bono phunugroho nai jaga bo jaga tangnani 3 lakh rioi bo permanent je stage tangnani obo chengjagiri nai te phainai sala bo hai kai chubanani mat level khainari to site narika te chini principal je taising ano proposal rimani je classroom students rok ni bagai ক্লাসরুম যে সানমানি অবশ্যই টাকলাই 2024 আনি যে এমএলএ ফান্ড নি যে রাং থমানি আবো শুধু অর সিমি খরচ খাইকেনে উঙ্গিয়া जों সারা সিমনাওনো যত জায়গাওনো जों খরচ মাখলাयो কিসা কিসাকে 2025 নি যে ফাইনান্সিয়াল ইয়ার ফাইকানকাই আপরু অবশ্যই ও সালকা একাডেমি ন ক্লাসরুম রিনানি বাগৈ আং আনি খাবাইনো আং সুবানাই নি নরন কংদিবই তেवैसा सिनि नायथक सिनि स्रायरक आनि खाकसामा हामजागमं याफारै ते अर फाइमानजाक जत गार्जेन बमाबो फारक न आनि खाकसामा ते हामजागमं याफारै आनि कक सामावरन पाइरिसनाय जतना गाहाम क्रं तंबायदि सालका एकाडेमी तेबो बुसिकांगो कुजुग ङै कासावै फाइथं जतना हामबाय खुलुमबाय के